Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting exponential problem in which we are given cube root 4x equals to fourth root 3x. So we are given cube root 4x equals to biquadratic 3x. So it can be written as 4x raised to power 1 by 3 equals to 3x raised to power 1 by 4. For your information, fourth root is known as biquadratic, same as cube root and square root. Now let's multiply the powers by 12 on both sides. We get 4x raised to power 1 by 3 bracket times 12 equals to 3x raised to power 1 by 4 bracket 12. Now 3 times 4 equals to 12. 4 times 3 equals to 12. So we get 4x raised to power 4 equals to 3x raised to power 3. On solving this, 4x raised to power 4 is 256, x raised to power 4 equals to 3x cube can be written as 27x cube. Now bring this 27x cube to the left hand side, we get 256 x raised to power 4 minus 27x cube equals to 0. Now take x cube common, we get 256 times x minus 27 equals to 0. So here we get two equations, x cube equals to 0 and 256x minus 27 equals to 0. From this we get x equals to 0, and from this equation we get 256x equals to 27. Now divide both sides by 256. We get x equals to 27 by 256. So from this problem we get two values of x. One is 0 and second is 27 by 256. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.